This program introduces you the concept of variable. Remember that the concept of variable is one of the very important concept in any programming language. Note that the variable is just like a box which holds a data. According to the size of data, we choose the type of variable. In step 1, this one, we have declared a variable, namely Sam. It is of integer type. So in step 1, we have declared an integer type of variable, namely Sam. That is, variable Sam can hold an integer type of data. Now in DOS environment, that is in 16-bit operating system, the integer type of data occupies 2 bytes of memory and its range is minus 32,768 to plus 32,767. In Windows 95, that is 32-bit operating system, the integer type of variable occupies 4 bytes and its range is 2,014 crores 74 lakhs 83,648 to 2,014 crores 74 lakhs 83,647. It's a very big range. What is range? The range of variable means a smallest and largest number which we can store in that variable. Okay? Note that the statement in step 1 is a simply directive to the compiler. This statement is not an executable statement. The compiler allocates the memory space to the variable at the time of storing of data. That is, it will occupy the memory at the time of initialization of variable. Is it clear? In the second step, this one, Sam is equal to 100 and semicolon. In the second step, we store the integer 100 in the variable Sam. In other words, we have assigned the value 100 to the variable Sam. I mean, the variable Sam is initialized by the value 100. Clear this point? Remember that this is an executable statement. The compiler will allocate the memory space and store the value 100 at that memory location. So if you execute this statement, then compiler will allocate the memory and it will initialize the variable Sam by the value 100. Clear? Next point. See the step 3, that is printf library function. The printf statement displays the contents of variable Sam at user screen or at DOS screen or DOS prompt. Okay? To display the content of integer type of variable, we have specified %d between pair of quotation mark. Is it clear? So now we know how to declare a variable, how to initialize the variable, and how to display the content of variable by using printf library function. In next session, we'll see how to compile this program and how to see the result at DOS prompt. Clear? Thank you.